Hello, everyone, and good morning. Yes, good morning. Good morning on this beautiful, sunny. See, it's sunny. It's sunny, sunny spring day. Very good. Okay. Now, how are you today? How are you today? Maybe you're cold. Nah, we're not cold. Tired. Are you tired? Angry? Maybe angry. Are you sad? Sad. Are you good? Good. Maybe disgusted. Disgusted. Oh, sleepy? Sleepy. Hungry. Hungry. Are you hungry? Maybe thirsty. Maybe you're thirsty. Scared. Scared. Or happy. Yes. Me? I am happy. Very good. I am happy. Okay, guys. Let's review our spring song. Okay? Let's do our spring song.
From the CD, Seasonal Songs in Motion by The Learning Station.
Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a bluebird, that is how I know. Spring is here, how do you think we know? We just saw a bluebird, that is how we know. Do the bird walk, and stretch your thing, do the bird walk. Do up your wings, do the bird walk. Do anything, and look around for another sign of spring. Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a bee, that is how I know. Spring is here, how do you think we know? We just saw a bee, that is how we know. Do the bee walk, and stretch your thing, and flap your wings, do anything, and look around for another sign of spring. Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a ladybug, that is how I know. Spring is here, how do you think we know? We just saw a ladybug, and that is how we know. Do the ladybug walk, and stretch your thing, do the ladybug walk, and flap your wings, do the ladybug walk. Do anything, and look around for another sign of spring. Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a butterfly, that is how I know. Spring is here, how do you think we know? We just saw a butterfly, and that is how we know. Do the butterfly walk, and stretch your thing, do the butterfly walk. Flap your wings, do the butterfly walk. Do anything, and look around for another sign of spring. Spring is here, how do you think I know? I just saw a frog, and that is how I know. Spring is here, how do you think we know? We just saw a frog, and that is how we know. Do the frog jump, and stretch your thing, do the frog jump. Bada bing, do the frog jump. Do anything, and look around for another sign of spring.
Wait!
Oh
there's
no,
a mosquito!
there's a mosquito,
All right,
see?
frogs, tongues out, here we go!
Mosquito, the frog is going to eat it. And another one. And another one, see? The frog is eating all the mosquitoes. Okay, guys. Now, today I want to repeat the ABCs. Yes, let's repeat our ABCs. Okay, so here are the ABCs. The A says ah, the A says ah. Every letter makes a sound. The A says ah. The B says B. The B says B. Every letter makes a sound. The B says B. B. B like bee. See? B. And also butterfly. Butterfly. Very good.
Says the C
says. The C says. Every letter makes a sound. The C says. Like caterpillar. D. The D says D. Every letter makes a sound. The D says D. The E says ah. The E says ah. Every letter makes a sound. The E says ah. The F says f. The F says f. Every letter makes a sound. The F says f. The G says G. The G says G. Every letter makes a sound. The G says G. The H says H. The H says H. Every letter makes a sound. The H says hat. The I says it. The I says it. Every letter makes a sound. The I says it. The J says J. The J says J. Jump. Every letter makes a sound. The J says J. The K says. The K says. Every letter makes a sound. The K says K. K like karate and what else? And koala. See, koala. Very good. K like karate and koala. Okay. The L says O. The L says O. Every letter makes a sound. The L says lollipop. The M says The M says Every letter makes a sound. The M says The moon says The N says Every letter makes a sound. The N says No. The O says ah. The O says ah. Every letter makes a sound. The O says ah. The P says. The P says. Every letter makes a sound. The P says popcorn. The Q says quack. The Q says quack. Every letter makes a sound. The Q says quack. The R says The R says Every letter makes a sound. The R says The S says The S says Every letter makes a sound. The S says like spider. Spider, yes, or snake. The T says The T says Every letter makes a sound. The T says like tea. The U says ah. The U says ah. Every letter makes a sound. The U says ah, like umbrella or up.
V says
The V says Every letter makes a sound. The V says Valentine's.
W. When I play it over here,
The room, it starts to shake. In my head, what I found is the sound that you make. What? What is the sound of the W? What? You are welcome, don't you know? It's time for us to go. This lesson, it is through. What is the sound of the W?
W.
What? The X says, the X says, every letter makes a sound. The X says, X-ray. The Y says, yeah. The Y says, yeah. Every letter makes a sound. The Y says, yeah. Yes, yes. Lullaby, Z, Z, Z. Catch some Z's when day is nigh. Zzz is your song. So go to sleep, my little one. Okay, you ready? Some words are made of straight lines, and some are curvy and round. But every letter makes a sound. The A says ah, the B says b, the C says k, and the D says d. The E says eh, and the F says f. The G says g, and the H says the I says it, and the J says j. The K says k, and the L says oh 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 oh. The N says and the N says The O says ah 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 ah. P says the Q says quack, and the R says the S says and the T says
The
U says ah, and the V says v. The W says what, and the X says x. The Y says yes, and the Z says z.
And
Those are all the letters in the factory. Good job, very good. Okay.